channel. So in today's video I'm going to review a product which I just came across on Facebook, and also going to give you my first impression and like how it wears off and what it is and all that. So a lot of you must have noticed the advert from a company called IL MIAKAGE. This is a New York based company, and they do have makeup products like foundation, and recently Kali Bible has launched her collaboration with them of lipsticks, lip glosses and lip liners, I believe. So usually when I see an advert on Facebook, I'm always a little apprehensive about it because you never know what's gonna happen. Sometimes I actually end up getting stuff, like ordering stuff, and I actually never even received it. So I'm always a little nervous about trying things from the adverts which are on Facebook. But this company, when I saw Kali Bible is doing a collaboration with, because I just thought it must be a good company, must be a respectable company to actually work with, and if I order something from them, I'm sure I'll get it, if you know what I mean. So basically the thing which really appealed me was they have an offer. I don't know how long it's been running. I just came across recently, so I'm just gonna tell you what I think of it. So they have this thing, like this promotion or this idea where you can actually put all your information about your skin tone, what color of foundation you're currently using, what brand and all that stuff, and they recommend you a shade of a foundation. So this is my shade, and I received this around couple of days ago, and my shade is called Woke Up Like This, number 105. So the idea is they send you a full-size bottle to try. So you have 14 days to try this shade and see if it works for you, or if it's the right shade or not, and suits your skin or not. So you have full 14 days to try this full-size product. If you are not happy in those 14 days, you can easily just contact them and send this back, and they will not charge you anything whatsoever. But when you're ordering this through them, you still have to pay the shipping, which worked out around 20 Canadian dollar for me. But I have 14 days to try this, and if I don't like it, I will just send it back. Now this foundation is matte, so I'm just going to read it from the information which came with this. So it's 100% cruelty free. It's a natural matte finish, buildable, medium to high coverage. It has 50 shades for all skin types, which is really good shade range. For 50 shades for all skin tones, it's like everyone can possibly find a shade for them which suits them. It has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid for hydration and anti-aging. So when I saw all this stuff when I was ordering this product, was all like ticking the boxes for me. I am not a huge fan of matte foundations. I feel like it because I have a dry skin. It kind of made me look even more drier and more like cakey side, if you know what I mean. But that's why whenever I'm using a matte foundation, I always like to add a few drops of any kind of face oil, so it gives me that kind of glowiness and that kind of like hydration, so it won't look matte, like too dry and cakey on my face. However, because they're already saying it has a vitamin E for hydration and anti-aging, today I'm going to not use any oil or mix any oil in my foundation, and I'm just gonna go straight after the primer to see how good this product is or how it wears off and all that. The thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly give my skin a little bit of a hydration and just apply the primer, and then we'll go with the foundation. So today I'm going to use my e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. I have used this in my last video too, and I absolutely love this product. It kind of gives me a really nice hydration on my face, and I absolutely love the effect of it. I felt like my face was like somebody just throw a lot of water on my face, like jugs and jugs of water. It's super cool when you're applying it. It has that cool feeling it gives on your skin. It looks like it feels like you're applying like a mint on your face. It's that cooling. So absolutely, Hankinson Banana Bright face primer. This primer is becoming one of my favorites right now. I got this around, when did I got it? Like month and a half ago, I guess. No, month ago, I think. But I didn't use it. Actually, what happened was I got it and I put all my stuff on the side for new products for try and everything, and I completely forgot about it. I got a new primer to try, and then when I was going through my beauty room and just resetting everything in my studio, I was just like, oh my god, I haven't tried this. And since I tried this, I'm never going back to another primer. It's super good. I absolutely love it. It's super hydrated. I like the way it makes my face makes my face really glowy. And whereas I'm going to use my Versali Skin Tune, which is pretty much like face tuning your face. It's absolutely amazing product. I really like it. I feel like it whenever I apply this to cover my pores. It literally gives me that face tune effect. So we're just gonna go with the foundation now, and I have Morphe M439 here, so I'm just gonna try that and see how it works out. So what I'm going to do is, because right now I'm not really sure what sort of coverage it's gonna give me, I'm just gonna put like maybe 3 pumps on my dish, and I'm just gonna go straight with my brush, and I'm gonna start applying this. Okay. Okay. First impression, I thought it's going to be extremely matte, but so far it's not actually that matte. Really surprised. I have to say that they really shade match me really well, like really well. I am so surprised by this shade. It literally is looking like my own skin, so which is amazing. Now I kind of put 2 layers on this side of my face, and this side is whatever I have left over on my brush. I have to say I have no foundation left on my dish, so I don't know if it's the brush is taking too much product, or is it supposed to be like this? I don't know. So let me just finish off one side so I can show you the difference. So I'm just gonna do this side of my face first, so you can see how what sort of coverage is giving me, how it's looking on my skin. Face with the foundation this side, and this is without. And I just put 2 layers, so you can see it's like a more of a medium, light to medium coverage. I might add 1 more layer, but with my beauty blender, just to see what happens. But I am very happy the way it's looking right now, and it's actually not really that matte. I thought it's going to be like a super matte, like, you know, Fenty Beauty, when you apply that, you know that's a matte foundation. But this is looking super duper good. Okay, so I've just finished my full face using the brush, and now I'm just gonna go over 1 more layer, but this time I'm going to go over with beauty blender. I'm not going to apply all over, like I'm not going to apply this layer all over my face. I'm just going to apply it on the areas which I think I still need a little bit more coverage, which is mainly is like my cheeks, because I can see on some parts little redness is still peeking through off. So I'm just gonna finish rest of my makeup. So here we go, guys. This is the final look. As you can see, I already had my hair curls, so I just kept it that way. So this is the final look. It came out. I'm actually very impressed by the foundation so far. It is looking super duper good. It wore off, like it's wearing really nicely. I'm not feeling anything, like I'm not feeling any dry feeling on my face. Even though it's a matte finish, it's making my face look super luminous and super like flawless. I am very impressed by this foundation. You guys really need to try it. I know it's scary trying sometime like sponsored adverts on Facebook, but you know what, this is just like, this is like a hidden treasure for me. It came better than my expectations. I am so impressed by this brand right now. It's unbelievable. I'm actually so wanna get all of Kali Bible's collab with them now, to see what is the quality is like for the lipsticks and the glosses. I am so impressed by this foundation. It's going to be my new favorites. Definitely on the matte side, it's going to be my new favorite. Absolutely love this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'll post a video you'll get a notification. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in a comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Take care. Be positive. Be happy. Laugh as much as you can. Life is too short. I love you all. Take care. Bye. So this is my check-in for you guys. Just avoid my hair and everything else. I just wanted you to see how well the foundation is still wearing off. So I'm just wearing my, what am I wearing? So this is just my natural lighting. So as you can see how good it's still looking in the natural lighting. So as you can see, it hardly came off at all, apart from my eye hair, and my lipstick is gone, and this crack a little bit here. That's about it. But it's more of like it's more because I'm not drinking enough water, so my skin is, my all over body is quite dehydrated, so I need to drink more water for that. But otherwise, I'm absolutely loving the foundation. It just held really well, really well. My whole makeup is still looking absolutely stunning. I didn't even have to touch up anywhere. I'm not feeling oily anywhere at all. Usually if I'm wearing a foundation or trying something new, depending on the foundation type as well, usually my T-zone gets a little like extra like glowy, and I have to pat with the powder just to calm it down a bit, otherwise it looks too like shiny. But so far so good. So this is my check-in. I am looking super good, super happy about this, super duper happy. So highly recommend this product. It's IL Makiage Foundation. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. So here we go. Bye.